My
gonna
group,
show
take
you the
over.
slime.
My group.
That is slime.
We bought it.
We bought it, and it's like really pokey.
Yeah.
There's no one in my group for me.
So I'm
I got
gonna.
excited. I was looking for people.
I'm just gonna remove the lid here.
Hey?
See, it's so pokey, but we have to take it out to hear the full volume.
Yeah.
So here we go. Here. So, and it's like really breaky if you want it to be.
Aren't you in the other group?
See?
Why is this in
And like you can get like stuff on your hands, like really easily, but still.
No.
See?
And the other break was shorter as well. And to be honest, you've almost had 20 minutes. If that's short, then you have an issue. Yeah.
I could do a
All breaks
swell.
over in 2
Yes,
minutes.
an issue regardless.
I did put
Do
a
you need a
swell.
tissue?
And I'm doing a
Aren't you
swirl.
aren't you in Alex's group?
No.
Oh, you're not.
And then look, crunch.
What are you
Oh
doing?
my.
You do it.
And then look.
I could.
Okay, so
It's really stretchy.
Yes.
Yay. See?
Four.
And it doesn't really stick to paper if you do it really quick.
Okay, we need to go now.
So, bye.
Bye.
Bye.